Hello, and welcome to overview video for day 7. As always, make sure you're going back and doing all of the assignments previous to day 7. Everything is still open for you in the folder. This Unit 8 folder is still available to you. All the assignments are available to you. So make sure you go back and work on that whenever you have a chance. And if you're not sure what's missing, you can always go into Sapphire and you can check to see where the incompletes are for that. Or you can always message me and ask. Alright, so we're in Unit 9, and so day 7 you're going to be learning about biomolecules. And so biomolecules are things that are in your body, things that are in food that are necessary for different life functions. And so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go through and work on this biomolecules focus questions. So this is a chart right here. You'll see this. It'll go through all the biomolecules. Why is it important? How is that molecule created? What are the elements from the periodic table that are in it? And real world examples, like where would you find it? How can you get a carbohydrate, a lipid, a protein, and a nucleic acid? Like, what do you have to eat, or where is it in your body? Alright, and the video link for that chart is right here. And again, these are focus questions to help you then ultimately answer the questions in your graded activity. You do not need to turn these focus questions into me, but you do need to use those in order to do this matching. And again, there's 2 attempts on this, so if you don't do great the first time, then go back and either rewatch the video or try to fill in the chart a little bit better and go back and do the attempt again. And so that is day 7.